Testing, test. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to fill a request in the ReShare system. The first thing you'll need to do is use your web browser to navigate to your library's ReShare system. Then click on the Supply app to see all of the requests that your library is supplying to other members of your consortium. Anything that's in the searching state is ready to be filled. If you like, you can use the state filter to limit your search results to anything that is searching that you're ready to work on. I'll click on the first request here, and this is going to open up the request in the flow view. I have a field here available to scan the item barcode to fill this request. For the purposes of this demo, I don't have the item with me, so I'm just going to copy and paste a barcode into this field. You can see that that operation took a few seconds to process, and that's because we are doing an NSIP checkout of the item in the library's ILS as we fill it in ReShare. So what you should see after filling the request is the state of the request updating to awaiting shipping. You should see the item barcode stored on the request, and you should see a due date that has been returned by your library's ILS to ReShare. The next thing to do is mark the request shipped. And if you're holding onto the pull slip for this item, you can actually just scan the request barcode, which is at the top of the pull slip. If you don't have that pull slip handy or you're not using a scanner, you can also click the Mark Request Ship button here at the bottom of the screen. This will update the state to shipped, and at this point, the item is ready for you to put in the mail and send on the way to the requester.